So if you want to set up a poll here in your phone, I'm going to teach you how to do that. And I'm going to tell you it's a fantastic way to gather some information from your audience. So for example, I do have a motorcycle channel and I ride a Road King and a Road Glide. So maybe I want to know what videos my audience wants to see. Do they want to see the Road King? Do they want to see the Road Glide? Again, having that poll allows your audience to be able to vote, and then you get that information and create your video. So welcome to the Content Creator Tool channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do that. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you could be notified when I post videos. So here I am in my app here in YouTube, and it's going to be pretty simple. All I'm going to do is go down here and click that plus, and it's going to give me a couple different choices: create a short, upload a video, go live, or create a post. Obviously, we're clicking in that create a post right there. You could do just your basic one, or you could actually do a text poll. And then here you could definitely write, so which one is your favorite motorcycle? And then I'm going to come here and I'm going to write something such as Road Glide, Road King. And I could even add up another section as well. I don't care. And then I'm just going to post it, right? It's that simple. I'm going to go like this. And now I could click here and I could actually see my post, right? So as people vote, you're going to be able to see it right there. Now I'm going to switch account just so you can see that. So I'm here in my Content Creator Tool channel, and you can see my post right here from my motorcycle channel. So if I click Road Glide, obviously it's going to give 100% because only one vote so far. But again, as people put in votes, then that should give you an idea of what your audience actually prefer. Again, this is just one of the indicators. If you're digging into the analytics, you can see tons of different things in there as well. And there you have it, guys. If you want to set up a poll with your phone, that's kind of how you do it. Let me know what you think. We'll see you in the next one.